Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. So children, today we will learn about the multiplication table of 6. Okay, let's begin. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Repeat after me children. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay. So children, in this picture I already wrote 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls in one group. Okay. So 1 6 is 6. That is 6 ones are 6. So again plus for this 1 6 we add again one more group of 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 6 are 12. So we add 1 6 group balls with another 6 group balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 is equal to how much? 12. So 6 twos are 12. So again these 12 balls, 2 groups of balls. That is one group 6 balls. Okay, one group having the 6 balls. So one group, this is 2 group, again 3 group. Okay, so here this again we add 3 6 are 18. So 12. Okay, 6 plus 6 12. Again 12 plus 6 12 after 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 6 3 6 are 18. That is 6 3s are 18. So next 6 4s are 24. Again these 3 groups, again we add one more 6 group of balls. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So 4 6 are 24. Okay, so 18, this 18 plus 4, that is 24. Okay, next this is the 5th group of 6 balls. Okay, so 6 5s are 30. For this 24, so we add again, that is 6 group of balls. 24 plus 6, that is 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. Again we add for this again 6 group of balls. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That is 36. 6 6 are 36. That is 6 6 are 36. So 6 7s are 42. Again what we have to do for this 36? So we have to add one more group of balls. So 36 plus 6, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So that is 6 7s are 7s. That is 7 6 are 42. 6 7s are 42. So again 6 8s are again we add, that is one more group of balls. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. That is 6 8s are 48. So 8 6 are 48. So again for this we have to add this 6 9s are. So this 48 we add again 6 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 48 after 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. That is 6 9s are 54. So 9 6 are 54. So at last 6 10s are 60. Again for this 54 we add one more group of 6 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 54 after 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So that is 60. 10 6 are 60. 6 10s are how much? 60. So like this we have to practice the table of 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.